Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all grab some greeting cards or Christmas cards and let's craft. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for the wonderful ways in which you support me and my channel. Today we're going to do some really minimalist crafting. We're going to take an ordinary Christmas card or greeting card, whatever it is you might have in your stash, and we're going to turn it into something very useful. So I'll give you a closer look in just a minute, but y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. So with just a small amount in the way of supplies, we are going to be able to make this. Now y'all, this is going to be a very simple little notebook, and we're going to add a pocket, which is perfect for tucking in some cut-aparts or tags, or even a gift card. Very easy to do. If you're in a hurry and you need something quick, let's say you want a little favor gift to give to someone, why not grab a greeting card? Doesn't have to be Christmas. And I know we all have some notepads lying around. Turn it into this. So very, very simple. This will be more of a process video than an actual follow the measurements video, because everyone might be using a different size notepad and starting with a different size card. So my card is 5x7. My notepad is 4x6. I have some cut aparts. And then I have a scrap piece. So the first thing that I need to do is I need to figure out how wide my pad is. And it looks like it's about 1/4 of an inch wide. So then I'm going to take my card and just open it, put it in, and the center mark will be on 5. I'm going to go this way and score at 5 1/4. That's going to give me the spine that I need. And so if I close it, this is what I have. So now I know that my notebook is 4 inches across. So I'm going to take my first fold mark here, and I'm going to position it at 4 1/8 and cut. Then I'll turn it this way, and I'll take the score mark that I made and position it at 4 1/8 and cut. So I know that my notepad is 6 inches long. So now I'm going to take this piece and we're going to position it at 6 1/8 and then cut. And while I have my trimmer out, I'm going to go ahead and just cut me a little pocket. So I'll cut it at 4 inches by 3 inches. And so now we can put it together. Before I do, I'm just going to put my notebook in to make sure that it will close, and it will. So I have already added tape to the back of my little notepad. And I'm just going to take this, and when I put it down, I'm going to put it down very close to my spine and very close to the top, like that. And y'all, that's how easy it is to make these little notebooks to gift, keep, or sell. So now that we have this like that, I'm going to take my pocket. Y'all see how quickly this is going? Add my glue on 3 sides. And then I'll take this and we're going to put it right there, just like that. And so now I'm just going to grab me a little sticker sheet, and y'all, I'm going to add a sticker right here. And then here at the bottom, I think I'm going to put that little snowman sticker there because it falls in line with what we are doing. So then we can take some cut aparts and just place them in our pocket. I'm also going to grab some more of the candy cane stripe just to break this up a little bit. And we're going to put that candy cane stripe right there. Y'all, how super easy was that? We're using our Christmas cards or greeting cards in a whole different way. Instead of using them to write a message, if you see some in the store that you really like the cover on, why not go ahead and take those and turn them into little crafty nuggets? You can always gift these, you can sell these, or you can keep these because everyone always needs something on which to write. So I'm just going to open this so that you can see the inside. Very, very simple. You can get as elaborate with these as you want, but I thought this was a great little craft to kind of close out Christmas in July. I didn't do a whole lot of Christmas in July crafting, but I love crafting with greeting cards. So this is an easy and quick little Christmas in July share that you can make right now. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this fun, quick, and easy craft. If you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.